It was a dark and foggy night at Yahoo Farm. There was a knock at the door.
Hey man, open the door! We're here for the Yahoo Farm Halloween party!
Oh! All right, everybody! Time for the Yahoo Farm Halloween party cake pull! Everybody grab a string! What's the funnest day of the year?
Halloween!
What's the funnest thing to do at a Halloween party?
A Yahoo Farm Halloween party cake pull!
All right, I got the mummy head charm. Mummy head. Memories never die. So true. Captain, present your charm. White Ghost charm. Red Hot Romance is near.
Ahoy, romance!
Ground, let's see your charm. All right, Black Ghost charm. Something fun will happen. Yeah, what charm did you get? The broom. All right, broom charm. You will travel soon.
That's a fact.
Tooth Fairy, may I see your charm? Like that. Like that charm? Your wish will be granted.
Finally!
Boogers Old Tool, do you have a lucky charm? Lucky charm, all right. Lucky, good luck.
And of course, I'm a leprechaun.
Krusty, show me your charm. A white skeleton. Success.
Something else I'm gonna hate.
Sasquatch, reveal your charm. All right, Grim Reaper. Someone's looking after you. Sir Hillary Marmalade, we need to see your charm. All right, got a black spider. Hope eternal.
Dude, the quest for Sasquatch continues!
Galileo, show me your charm. All right, moon with bats. Watch out.
Every time!
Einstein, hold up your charm. All right, white spider web. White spider charm. Just hanging.
My news discovery.
Where the girl, divulge your charm. All right, a cat on a broom. Good times ahead.
I knew a hurricane was coming.
All right, there's one pull left, and this one's for you. All right, a good witch charm. Very nice. The Yahoo Farm Halloween party is always the best. Be a good witch. Make your Halloween party the best Halloween party ever. Order your Yahoo Farm Halloween party cake pull kit today. Remember, always leave that first slice to the side and put the Moonbug Head place card by the slice. I'll be by later to get my slice. So if you hear the sound of breaking glass and sirens, don't worry. It's just me stopping by for my slice. Thanks for coming, and thanks for that slice.
Happy Halloween!